Hi, today I'm going to be doing a review for an ebook creation platform called Sqribble. And Sqribble is from ClickBank. It's where it's available right now. It's on sale special. There's some coupon specials that are available. I want to go through the sales page with you. I'll take a look at the inside the dashboard with you too. We'll go through all the areas of it and show you how it works. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and then hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I publish new content to our site. And also, while you're at it, click the link down in the description. Click the link below for a great free training to help build your online home business today. So without waiting any longer, let's move on to what our video is today, a review of Sqribble from ClickBank. So I got mine on special and from Sqribble last week, and I used the coupon here. And the sales letter is really well designed. They've got a lengthy demo video here that you can watch, which really shows the extent of what they can do with the product as far as developing ebooks for you. So let's take a look, and we're going to go over into the dashboard now and take a look at what's involved with Sqribble. So first off, you sign over here on the left. You're going to have, these are all the extra OTOs if you purchased any of them. That if they're blacked, then you have purchased them. If they're red, you can access them by clicking on there, or you will have had access to them if you purchased them at the OTO time when you made your original purchase. And basically what you're blacked in is what you paid for. Go here. This is the home. Now, what they're going to do is they have some really good videos that tell you about how to use Sqribble. And Sqribble basically revolves around setting up projects. A project, when you set up a project, is basically setting up a new development project for a new ebook, let's say. So we're going to say create a new project. Okay, and then we're going to have all the templates. You can go on the templates for the gallery, and then the other two areas are your email development list, whatever it is you're trying to create as a lead magnet. Now the template, what you're going to get, you get the 10, which I showed you first, and then you're going to get the regular templates here. We were here a minute ago, and these are filling in slowly but surely. Now what you want to do is you want to look at a template that you think might match up with what you're looking for. And I'm going to be looking for Major League Baseball. So it's sports oriented. So what's really cool is you could pick the one you want to use, but you can also look at it. Let's see if it's something like, maybe I want this one here. I'm going to push view. And then what's going to do is come up here and it's going to show you what's involved in it. So table of contents, a cover, page for another page, and then thank you page. That's basically your template, but you can add anything you want to it. So let's say I'm going to use this one. I call this MLB openers. Okay, they're going to say recommend freehand editor or legacy not recommended. So we're going to say, okay, next. We did name your project. We're going to say select your project type next. We're going to say grab from a URL. And the URL is here. Now the page I want to put in here comes from this page here. I'm sorry, this article here. So we'll go back over here to Sqribble. We'll enter our URL. We're going to say finish. Now this is going to take, I'll go time this for you and I'll get back to when I'm paused when we're done here. So in under 30 seconds is all it took. It came up with this here. Now everything obviously can be redesigned. Sizes of types of fonts you're using, colors. But this is what I came up with. They pulled this content off this site here from Major League Baseball. And the thing that they talk about in the directions is that, remember, it's a very powerful algorithm. It'll pull things off you may not want. So when you do that, you may want to go through and edit out stuff, that you don't want. Here, this is duplication. But you get the point. This is the whole article, quite lengthy. Some pictures, you may want to just block them out. I would say save it. I have a habit of saving every 5-6 minutes of when I'm doing work. So I know it's been successfully saved. There are elements. There's headlines, paragraph. You see it marches on down through what's involved and where you're at. Paragraph, headline again, paragraph, paragraph. So if you hit it here, click it over here, then it'll show you where it is over here. So you can edit it. So this paragraph is basically this, and if you want that, click on it, and then here it is. See, it's boxed off. And you can come in here and edit basically anything you want to do with it. You can do with it while you're on this page through the elements. As like I said, it identifies. Now if you're going to go to pages, it's going to list what is available in the template. You can just click on it, and it'll pull up everything you want to know, everything you want to change or whatever. See, change your margin, your top spaces, change the image here. If you want a border, full border, border color. So basically that's what you can do. Now here's the neatest thing. This is the neatest thing. This is going to take this template, which is basically like an orange blue. There's your blue color, there's your orange color, blue orange. You can change it. We'll change it into a lime. And you'll see everything changes here. But see, that doesn't match up very well. So let's go to it. Here, that's a pink. But you can enhance or change the look of what it is that you have. See, it changes everything. See, it changes the author colors, the lines. See, the green now added to it. So whatever you want to, you can reset to default and get out of there. And again, don't forget to save as you go through. Now, what you're going to want to do when you get done with your project is use one of two options, PDF or legacy method. We're going to use this one here. It's going to save your content. So then you can use it for Amazon Kindle, EPUB, Mobi, download a PDF, or open in a new tab. Let's do open a PDF. There it is. Open with Firefox. Let's do open with Acrobat. And there it is. And then you have it to export, edit, whatever you want to do with it. So now, and then it comes time to publish it. You can select a client to publish to, and if you have a bunch of clients, use the drop down, find them, and add, or you can add a client in here. and select pages to publish. If you just want to publish a page, let's see, we'll do table of contents and content 4. And then you're going to say publish. So anyway, but you get the idea that this is quite a versatile editor. So we're going to create another ebook using Sqribble. And we're going to check this one out here, see what there is involved. This is the template. And this looks like something I would like to use. So I can change and edit for my use. So I'm going to say use. And freebie for horse. And this is checked off here, which is what we want. Move on. We're going to use this one here. So I have a document I want to use. Okay, so what we're going to do is do this and then next. And browse for the text. We'll click on that. And then we'll say finish. And what it's going to do now is it's going to pull that in to the template. And once it's completed, so our templates come up, and we're going to start getting the some of this edited out. That's it for that page, for the table of content, and then you got paragraph. Go through and read it, format it the way you want. And you see, notice everything's freebie for horse, freebie for horse. Now we can go to Colorizer, and let's see if we can make this a little bit lighter. There, it's lighter, so now it shows up better. Colorizer is really cool. Really cool. So you can see, you can change this image out. Do your headlines, move this around. Just all kinds of things. You can go to your pages and content page 1, where each thing is, you can go through and edit what you want. The important thing I find with a platform like this is that you need to plan out what it is that you want to do. You need to have an idea of what you want to have everything look like, so you can first pick the right template. Second, you have the pictures lined up. Third, you have the content lined up, because this is very handy. And as you can see, everything is really, it's amazing how quickly everything goes. Keeping that in mind, Sqribble is really, really cool. What you can do with it is create PDFs for lead magnets, PDFs for freebies, PDFs for promotions, PDFs for whatever, and they're really cool. And whatever content you can edit all this. This is all dummy content, or you can get rid of it. You can add to it. If I want this page again, there it is, 2 pages. If I like this page, I can do 3 pages. 1, 2, 3. So whatever I want to do, I can take away. If I don't want the table of contents anymore, I can trash it. So, I mean, it's really easy. It's very inexpensive. So that's my review for Sqribble from ClickBank. Sqribble's on sale right now with a special deal from ClickBank. And I would give this, it's an excellent ebook creator. I would say it's a valuable tool when you get to a point that you need a tool, and since the price is right, ebook creator platform, I would say that it's worth the money to spend. It's because of the ease of using it, as I've showed you through the examples. And so therefore I give it a 7 out of 10. And I would recommend that you decide if you want to grow your business. If you're growing your business, then you probably need to have an ebook creator platform in the mix of the tools that you need. So keeping that in mind, we'll give it a 7 out of 10 for score. And as you go through building your business, don't forget to click the link down below in the description. We can help you build a bigger, better business with tips suggested from the great free training that you get available by clicking the link down in the description. So don't forget to like the video if you got anything out of the video today, if it helped you with your decisions for building your business. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well. And reach over there and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I publish a new video to our channel like the one today. I'd like to remind you that it's always about the numbers, but it's never as easy as 1, 2, 3. So thank you for watching today, and God bless.